Time now for a full look at our Wednesday forecast. Meteorologist Sharon Ray is standing by with that. Sharon?
Well, Paulo, this is the time of year I feel like a broken record. You know, every day it's hot, humid, steamy weather. We're looking at pretty quiet weather too. But as you know, that will change. We're not only entering the tropical season when we'll start to see tropical waves more often, and that should boost our rain chances as we head into September, but temperatures start to come down too. We are looking at our peak right now of the heat, and normally through about the middle of August we see an average high of 95. Then it starts to come down as we head toward fall, and you can see by the end of September our average high is 87 with a low of 69, and by the time we get into October and we start watching those cold fronts bring cooler air down, you can see those temperatures drop down 61 to 81 by the end of October. So watching as we're heading now into the backside of summer, and also the better chances of rain as we head toward September. No rain this morning though. It is dry out there and it's warm. 81 in Corpus Christi, 84 Port Aransas right now. It's 79 at Robstown, Beeville. You're at 78. Pretty nice morning though. You walk out the door and it's quiet out there. Hardly much wind inland, under 7 miles an hour. Coastside, those breezes still blowing. These will come down a little before they pick up again this afternoon. You can see that on future tracker winds. Watch those wind speeds here as they do pick up through the late afternoon and early evening, up to about 15 to 20 closer to the coastline, so that nice breeze making it inland as well, keeping that humidity pumped up though. That's the only problem. And then we're looking at tomorrow morning, very light winds again, and much of the same tomorrow afternoon. All right, these are the forecast highs today. The average high right now is 95. That's what I think we're going to hit today in Corpus Christi officially. 99 at Alice and 102 at George West. Just a hot, sticky day as you head inland, nearing 100 degrees. Rockport 93, Port Aransas nearing 90 this afternoon. And then here's the heat index, a little bit higher today. And this afternoon, we're looking at a heat index close to 108 in Corpus Christi by 3 o'clock. So these are going to be riding about 105 to 110 this afternoon. And then tomorrow, we'll see a very similar pattern. So that forecast heat index is up there the next few days, coming down just slightly this weekend. But just expect those that hot, sticky weather to persist. And as far as rain, still watching for some atmospheric moisture to give us that potential. And it looks like it may not be until Sunday, Monday of next week before we see that chance increasing. But for now, water vapor imagery, you can see on the scale here, the orange colors, that's dry air over us. Higher pressure aloft continuing just to our west. But that's going to back off a little bit over the next few days. And by early next week, it will increase our rain chances. So on in the tropics right now, you can see just how quiet it is in the Gulf. But we do have that depression that did form. We talked about this the past couple of days, and that is Tropical Depression 11. As far as our forecast, the next 7 days, a lot of sunshine, a lot of heat, a lot of humidity. Rain chance comes up a little bit by the end of the weekend. Paulo?